Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
My name is Brea.
Baby Brea, I'm so excited. I'm so excited, children. What's inside?
What do you think is inside? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Set. Go.
Wow.
What is it?
It's something in it.
It's a duck McStuffins clinic.
Let's build it.
Let's build it.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. What's inside?
Say goodnight.
Good night.
Fixing toys is what we do best.
To clinic.
Seem to be right on track with the other toy babies. Hey, can you help me check height and weight? Your exam is going great. Lammy's an expert at cuddle care. Can you help me check height and weight?
Dr. McStuffins, can you check my temperature, please? Oh, thank you. Thank you. What's my temperature, Dr. McStuffins?
This is hot.
It's hot. Are you going to give me a medicine? Okay.
Sit in the crib.
All right. Hop
Can
through
you
the
help me
chair.
get ready for the next checkup?
Thank you. I feel better now. Dr. McStuffin, can you check my heart? Oh dear.
Fixing toys is what we do best.
Remember? Where is your stethoscope?
There.
Okay. You put it in my heart.
Let's check your heartbeat. That sounds great.
Sounds great. Thank you, Dr. McStuffin. Now, are you going to give me a sticker for drinking the medicine so well? I'm waiting for my sticker, Dr. McStuffin. Dr. McStuffin. Dr. McStuffin, can you give me a sticker, a band-aid for my shot? Right here, Doctor, not in the forehead. How rude. How about in the forearm? Right over here, Dr. McStuffin. Very good. Thank you. I'm going to ask you a few questions, okay? And you're going to go ahead and tell me what it is. What is this?
It's a bottle.
It's a kind of like a bottle. What is this?
It's a temperature.
Temperature or thermometer. What is this?
It's an ear.
It's an otoscope for the ear.
It's otoscope. The ear.
How about this?
It's stethoscope.
Oh, okay. So when you press on it, what happens? When you put it in the heart of baby CeCe, what happens?
That's one healthy sounding heart.
Oh, wow.
Mm.
All right. And what is this?
It's a crib.
It's a crib. What's on the crib? What's on the crib?
It's just a baby.
Oh, you put the diaper underneath, right? What is this? Is this a scale? Look at this, Brea. What are these?
There's stickers in there.
Stickers. So after you give the shot, you put a sticker, right?
Okay.
Okay. What else do we have?
It's a diaper change.
Mm-hmm.
It's a diaper change.
Okay. Does baby CeCe feel better?
Mm-hmm. Where's Grandma?
She left. Brea,
Thanks for watching.